Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tablet. Enable installation from unknown sources so APKs can run. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Amazon account and connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. You also need to check the Fire OS version and device model. This determines which APK files to download. Now, open the built-in Silk browser and prepare to download 4 Google APKs in the precise order. Don't skip or rearrange them, because order matters for successful installation. You'll download 4 APKs: Account Manager, Services Framework, Play Services, and Play Store. Get the correct builds for your Fire OS. After each file finishes, tap it and install it right away. Grant permissions when the installer asks. Make sure you install them in that exact sequence to avoid conflicts. Once all 4 are installed, reboot the tablet so Google services can register and initialize. When the device restarts, open the Play Store to sign in with your Google account. This finalizes account sync. You finish by signing into the Play Store and allowing updates. Google Play services may update automatically, so be patient. If apps fail to install or the store crashes, go to Settings Apps, clear cache and data, then force stop and reopen the Play Store. If problems persist, reinstall the 4 APKs using versions that match your Fire OS build. This is the most common fix. Finally, make sure you reboot after changes. If nothing works, a factory reset is a last resort, but try reinstall first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.